Okay. So now we are going to study more about money. So already you studied money in the first standard, right? Yes, you know the notes and coins. Which are the notes and coins we are using? Yes? Just now in the video you understand that the coins. Which are the coins we are using? 50 paise coin is there. 50 paise coin. Then 1 rupee coin is there. Then 2 rupee coin is there. Then after that 5 rupee coin. Then 10 rupee coin. Okay. So these are the coins. So in these coins, you have noticed that one is a paise coin. What is that? One is a paise coin. What is that? 50 paise. So which is the only paise coin we are using?
50 paise.
Yes, 50 paise. Only that is the paise we are using. Earlier we used 25 paise and all, but nowadays it is not using. Now we are using only the 50 paise coin, and all the other coins are rupee. And what about the notes? 1 rupee note is there. Then 2 rupee note is there. Then
100
then after that 5 rupee. Yes, 5 rupee note is there. Then 10 rupee note is there. Then 20 rupee note is there. Then 50 rupee note is there. Then 100 rupees. Then 200 rupees. Then 500. After that 2000. Okay. Yes, these are the notes and coins we are using. So for what we are using this money?
for buying things.
Yes, we will not get the things free of cost, isn't it? We have to give money in the shop, then only we will get the items from the shop. So we have to be very careful about this money. Handle with care. Huh? Okay. Huh? Your parents are telling, no, you will tell, I need this one, I need that, and this one, many list will be there. Huh? Then what your mother and father will tell? No. All these things, it is not possible. Only 1 or 2. Isn't it? So, your parents are struggling a lot to get this money. How are they getting money?
When they work.
When the parents are working. If they are working only, they will get. How? From where they are getting money?
From their boss. Is working and
sometimes when the small students know, they will tell the parents are getting money from the ATM. They are going with the parents and they are seeing that from the ATM they will put the card and they will get the money. So what they are thinking? The ATM is giving money for them. It's not like that, isn't it? When we are working only, we will get the money. Yes?
they put it into the bank.
So they are putting the money in the bank. So if they are not putting, will we get the money? No. So we will not get any money. Yes. So we have to be careful when you are purchasing the items. Okay. And just now in this video, from this video, you understood that money is the rupee and paise. Yes? Yes, Diksha?
I don't know.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Yesterday my father go to girls.
Yes, Afia?
Yesterday my father go to girls. Then
Not clear, my dear. No sound.
yesterday my father go to girls.
Gulf. Oh. So you are so sad. Okay. So now you understood that money is there in rupee and paise. Isn't it? Money is there in rupee and paise. And we are using a dot for separating these two. Paise we will write the right side of the dot, and rupees we will write in the left side of the dot. And what is the symbol we are using? The money symbol?
Rupees.
Yes.
Rupee.
Yes, the symbol of money is rupees. How to symbol? This is the symbol of
Write the
rupees.
Hindi letter
Ah, yes, this is the symbol of rupee. Rupee symbol it is. And what we can use for paise? We will use P for paise. Okay. And if you're getting a money that is 37 rupees 50 paise, how to write? First we need to write
37.
rupees. 37. Put a dot.
Then 37.
Then 50. Okay. So after this dot, there will be two numbers. If nothing is there, we will write 37.00.
0.
Okay. If it is 37.5 paise, how to write 37.5 paise? We will first write 0, then 5.
Then write 5.
Okay. So this how to read this one? Rupees
5.
37. 37 rupees and 5 paise. How to read it? 37 rupees 5 paise. This one how to read? 37 rupees 50 paise.
Is 50 paise.
Okay. So everyone understood? So all of you take your notebook. Please open your notebook. And write, take a new page. Please take a new page. This is the next chapter.
Ma'am, I don't have notebook with me.
So take the rough book and write. Write the chapter.
Stop the till. We stop the till.
In the notebook, my dears, please open your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the notebook, we have stop the till, frame a question. Question number 2.
Yes.
Okay,
Now you have to write this one. Chapter 7, money. Write the heading. Chapter 7, money.
Ma'am, I can't see what you're writing. Ma'am, I cannot see what writing. Okay. Please share the board.
Yes. Now it's okay. Chapter 7, money. And we need to write one sentence here. The next line. Money is written in rupees. Money is written in rupees and paise.
Ma'am, I have a network issues.
Oh,
I can't see writing.
okay. I'll send it in the group. If you can't see now, you can check the group. Okay.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Some are facing network
Ma'am.
problem. That is why.
I can only see chapter 7 money.
It will come, my dear. Wait a minute. It will come after some time. Separated by
Only see that. Money is
by a dot.
written in rupees and paise. Separate.
Money is written in rupees and paise, separated by a dot. Come, take your notebook and start writing the next chapter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Now I can see. Ma'am, should we write the star?
Star. No need.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Then the next question. Now we understand that you have to write a dot for separating rupee and paise. Hmm?
Ma'am, I can see now.
Ah,
Can you
okay.
wait?
Yes. Now after this, next line you have to write. Write in words. Write in words. Question number A. First you write rupee symbol 6.50. So how to read this money? How can we read this money?
6 rupees.
Hmm? Yes, 6 rupees 50 paise.
50 paise.
Yes, so you have to write like that. 6 rupees 6 rupees 50 paise. Write fast. 6 rupees 50 paise.
Ma'am, can I drink some water? Money
Yes, yes.
writing
And you can use your and also 6 rupees and 55 paise. And
by Ma'am, I can't see. Now I can only see the word right in word A.
I will share again once again. I'll share it again. Hmm.
In all classes like this.
You are facing the network problems, Amanuya. That is the reason. Maybe your area, the network is low.
Ma'am, my network is also gone.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Able
now
also.
my net
Yes.
come.
So sit in that proper place. Able and write. 6 rupees and 50 paise. Question number B. 15.90. How to read this one? Question number B. Money is written. WRI.
I cannot not see the board. I can see one B. B I cannot see. 90 paisa.
This is how to read 15 rupees and 90 paise.
Paisa.
Yes, so how to write it? 15. 15
P
rupees and
90 paise.
90
Paise.
paise. Not 50, 15. 15 rupees and 90 paise. Diya KP, are you writing? Huh?
I finished.
Finish.
No, ma'am.
Question number C.
Ma'am, if
Hmm?
you don't finish the first line, can you read?
Okay, okay. It is there. It is there already.
Ma'am, but in other classes, this problem.
Other classes?
This problem is not there. Other classes.
Only max class is the problem.
Yeah, other class.
All the classes it is there.
Yes. No,
Ah.
No.
Okay, okay. I understood. Yes. So those who are facing the network issue, that is the problem. Most of the students are writing. They can see the board properly. No problem for them. Only 1 or 2 students. So that is here everything is okay, my dears. I'll send it in the group. So if you can't write now, please copy from there. And the third question, 55.07. How to read it?
55 rupees.
Hmm?
7 paise.
Yes, 55 rupees.
7 paise.
55 rupees
And 7
and
paise.
7
Paise.
I say.
Slowly.
Bhaigalakshmi, write fast. And one more question like this. Question number D.
Piece B and 7 paise.
Yes. Question number D. Rayan, how to read it? Fourth one.
175. I can't see the board.
You can't see the board. Okay, okay.
Okay, now I can see the board.
Then read.
175
Rupees?
see the board.
Okay, okay. 175 rupees
I cannot
And?
see the board.
35 paise. Okay, very good. 175 rupees and 35 paise. $175 rupees 175 rupees and 35. I say. So for writing this, you have to know about the spellings, the number names of the numbers. Okay. Write, study the spelling, all these numbers. Revise it once again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My notebook is out. Is full. Pages are finished.
Okay. So do you have a new notebook?
Yes.
So you can take that.
Okay, ma'am.
So this new chapter, you start in a new book. Okay, well.
Ma'am, but I have space.
Who is that?
Rose and
Rose, no problem. I told you this Abel. Rose, okay, you can continue.
30 rupees and I and D and 30 DH IRTY 13.5. Thank you, Nadia. Finish.
Okay, very good. So now you got the questions as the figures are there and you are writing the answer in words. Then next I'm going to give the words I will give and you have to write in figures. The next question is like that. The words I will give and you have to convert it into figures. Sarah.
Ma'am, Zara came now.
What happened, Sarah? Why are you late?
Ma'am, I have a network issue.
Okay, okay. And sit properly. How you are sitting in the class? Sit straight.
So I did not complete.
Okay, so I will send it in the group. So at that time, you please copy. And whatever you can see now that you please write it.
Ma'am, it's completed.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, Vera completed my work.
Okay.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, those who are completed, please be silent. Let everyone complete. So for the next class, you have to revise the number names, all the numbers and the number names. You please revise again. Okay. Then only if you're getting a question like this, you can write it properly without any spelling mistake.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Which day do you want the number for the happy hour?
Which date?
Which day we want to send you the number?
Today you send, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
which time to buy the dress?
Dress.
Yes.
Which dress?
Uniform.
That you will get the information from the office.
Okay.
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 So all of you finish this one, everyone? Completed?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, some are still writing. Please do it fast. So in the next class, I'll show you the notes again, once again, which are the notes and coins we are using. And you can also make some dummy notes. You are playing now with some dummy notes and all.
What?
You can take a paper and cut into the rectangle shape. Okay. You are playing now with your friends and all.
Yes.
This is this much rupees. I will tell. You can take a paper and cut it in a rectangle shape. And on that paper, you can write it is 5. If it is 5 rupees, you can write rupees 5. And take another paper, cut again in that rectangle shape, rupees 10. Understood? Huh?
Yes.
Have you all understand?
How many
Any this 5 rupee, 10 rupee notes are there? No, notes.
Yes.
But I will explain once again in the next class. Then you will understand.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
I'm trying to see you.
Huh?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Duplicate copies.
Yes, dummy. It is telling dummy notes. Okay, we are using for playing.
Duplicate notes.
Yes.
This
Okay.
that
Yes. So today this much only I am teaching you. You all know what is this money and for what money we are using.
Ma'am,
Yes.
share the board.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Now I'll share it in the group. Okay.
ma'am.
So at that time you please complete it. So today this much only. So shall I wind up the class?
Yes.
Yes?
Okay.
Okay. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank